Hello class, my name is Arthur Handy and this is my Meetup project. For the group that I joined, it is called Immersive Technology Enthusiasts. Here's the Meetup link and a screenshot. For the meetup that I attended, it was a Learn C# scripting and coding for AR and VR development. The location was app.livestorm, date Tuesday, October 20th from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. And the meetup link is right here. And here's also a screenshot. The presenters for this event was Jerry Medeiros. He is a senior VR AR developer. He also is the head of education at CircuitStream. He has 10 years of game development and 6+ years of XR development. Here's a screenshot of the live meeting. During our meeting, he discussed about basic C# syntax, frameworks for using C# in Unity, understanding of C# in VR and AR, and how to use variable, data types, loop statements, functions, and methods. Unity is also a free 3D development engine for building game simulations and experience. Basically, it is the easiest way to begin making apps for XR, AR, and VR. So if you guys want to do this, just download Unity, it is free. One of the questions I asked Jerry was, how do you debug C# script in Unity? And he replied, you can execute line by line of code to understand the value of the variables used. To do this, you have to use breakpoints. And I also was very curious on what types of games he has developed, and he basically said that he worked on training simulations type games. So, flying a plane or flying a helicopter. What did I think? I felt like it was very interesting seeing people from all over the world attend. It was roughly around, I believe, 50 people who attend, and the app.livestorm where they did the presentation, it was very cool because during the whole presentation, CircuitStream actually had a lot of their workers during the live stream, and there's actually a question section that you can actually type questions during the event while it was happening, and the people working at CircuitStream would answer. And then at the very end, Jerry he asked questions from the audience, and I asked him a couple. And I also learned how to use variables, data types, loop statements, functions, and methods in C#. I also noticed that C# is very similar to C++, so you can learn quite a lot. It's very similar. For the club meeting that I attended at Cal State East Bay is RMCS. It is basically the Recreational Math and Computer Science Club. It was held on October 20th, 2020, around 2 p.m. They basically just went over how the club worked. It was not that many people who attended, only about 11 people, including me. It's pretty cool though. If you do join this club, they have professional workshops, and they'll basically have mock interview whiteboard. And pretty much in the real world, when you try looking for a job, it's you give you a whiteboard marker and you have to write down code. And another event that's coming up is Hackathon, and they'll be having a dev as a speaker. If you are very interested in joining the club, I did include the link. To do this, you have to do it through Basync, and there's the link. And also, if you want to join the Discord too, I also posted the Discord link as well. For the Stackoverflow question, in one of my classes, we were working on a Boggle game board. It was basically a 4x4 grid. And to do that, we had to use recursion. And luckily, someone was able to answer the question. on Stack Overflow. And right here is my account. I also have a GitHub account that I made. GitHub basically allows you to collaborate with other developers, and you can also post your code and make your own repositories. Thank you guys.